Hello and welcome to our video on the top 3 mistakes that only poor people make with their finances and investing. In this video, we will discuss the common financial mistakes that are keeping people stuck in a cycle of poverty and how to avoid them. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. Mistake number 1, not having a budget. The first and most common mistake that poor people make is not having a budget. Many people, especially those with low incomes, tend to spend their money without thinking about where it is going. They don't track their expenses and don't prioritize their spending. This leads to overspending, debt, and financial instability. To avoid this mistake, you need to create a budget. A budget helps you track your expenses, prioritize your spending, and plan for the future. You can start by listing your income and expenses, categorizing them, and assigning a dollar amount to each category. Then, you can monitor your spending, adjust your budget as necessary, and avoid overspending. Mistake number 2, not saving enough. The second mistake that poor people make is not saving enough. Many people think that they don't earn enough money to save, so they don't even try. However, saving is crucial to building wealth and achieving financial stability. Without savings, you are vulnerable to emergencies, unexpected expenses, and financial crises. To avoid this mistake, you need to prioritize saving. You can start by setting a savings goal, such as saving 10% of your income each month. You can also automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit or automatic transfer into your savings account. Remember, even small amounts add up over time, so start saving today. Mistake number 3, not investing. The third mistake that poor people make is not investing. Many people think that investing is only for the wealthy, but this is not true. Investing is crucial to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Without investing, you are missing out on the potential to grow your money and secure your future. To avoid this mistake, you need to start investing. You can start by learning about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. You can also consult with a financial advisor or do your own research to find the best investment strategy for your goals and risk tolerance. Fun fact for you. Did you know that the first recorded stock market was established in Amsterdam in 1720? It was called the Amsterdam Stock Exchange and it was created to trade stocks and bonds of the Dutch East India Company. Today, the stock market has become a global phenomenon, with trillions of dollars traded every day. So, it's never too late to start investing and potentially become a part of this global market. In conclusion, these are the top 3 mistakes that only poor people make with their finances and investing. By avoiding these mistakes and following the tips we've discussed, you can take control of your finances, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom. Remember, it's never too late to start. So, start today and take the first step towards a brighter financial future. Thank you for watching.